Sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. Been a week. Been a couple of weeks, actually. Just want to apologize to everybody that haven't had a chance to do a video here in quite a bit here. It's one of those type of things in life. A family member of mine, my sister actually, had been rushed in for emergency surgery here a little bit ago, and kind of makes you realize how thankful you should be for the things that you have. Just within, she could have been gone, and I don't really want to think about it like that, but that's the way it is. So anyway, like I said, been a week, but I got a lot of things to talk about. Well, maybe not a lot of things, but a few things. First off, I have a limited run. I know, yeah. Tonight, actually, and I apologize for that too, because it's maybe 2 o'clock this afternoon. Limited run is going to be on my site tonight at 6:30. October, hang on a second. Yes, of course. October 18th, 2025. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay. I have my coffee because obviously I've been drinking buckets of it lately, running ragged, but that's how it goes. All right. So that limited run, and it's going to be an extremely limited run, by the way. And I've been threatening to make this for quite some time, and I've had, I don't know how many countless people asking me. It's the Hudson Bay, okay? Now, I have some on order already, and I've been working on those, and I've been just inundated with people asking, when are you gonna? I'd like to buy one of your Hudson Bays, and just as you know what I've said before in the past, I don't like to make just one of any of my style. I like to make several of them at a time. It's much more efficient. So 4, that's it. I'm making 4 available, and those will be, as I say, the ones that still have these on order. I'm making them with everything here, with the rest of them. So 6:30 tonight, 4 Hudson Bays will be available to custom order. Yeah, now here it is right there. Okay, that's the standard one. Okay, that's the standard sheath one. All right, right or left hand sheath. Now, if you do happen to get on there and you wanted one, make sure that you leave in the comments whether you'd like to have a right or left hand sheath, and the handle woods too. Okay, now the other one, which I've ever since I put it up, George, that one was yours, is the cross draw one. Okay, this one right here. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of a belt loop right in there, and you put it through that, your belt through that, and it goes across your hip. It's not an uncomfortable way of carrying it, and of course it's a huge knife. They're 13.5 inches long, 8.5 inch blades. So it's a big knife, and that would be a classic way of carrying those back in the frontier time there. Rendezvous and all the guys that order these from me, they like that cross draw. So there's 4, as I say, and they can be ordered in either with the tiger maple, the gunstock tiger maple, which everybody wants, and my other standard ones there, and then of course whatever style of sheath that you would like to have. So if you are going there and going to order one, please make sure you put in the comments, the notes section on that order, what you would like and the details and everything. If not, don't worry about it. I'll get back to you anyway, and we'll figure it out down the road. Now, these are not going to be ready for Christmas. Okay, I'm sorry, but here it is, nearly the end of October already, and again, I'm filling back orders of these along with all the other ones, and I'm supposed to be semi-retired. I don't know. Somebody told me that I get I get that question all the time. I thought you were samurai. Yeah, yeah. Well, a few things have changed, and I'm working on it, But I'm never going to stop. God willing, I'm never going to. I like what I'm doing, and that's the way it's going to be. So I have to keep on doing things. Now, sneak peek at one knife that I have that's going to be available here, maybe next week too. Okay, I got one small hunter, I think, I have available in. Well, all right, just a little peek there. Okay, there's. All right, and look at that. Now that doesn't even have any finish on it. It's just oil on the handle. Look at the tiger on that sucker. And it's it's got a 5.5 inch blade. This is a really cool knife. I mean, anyway, just a real quick peek. There it is. Okay, now that one has a different kind of style sheath that I've been working on. All right, it's well, I'll show it when it's done. But anyway, it has a dangler sheath because it's a long knife, and if you put it on your belt, so there's a dangler attachment on there with a brass D-ring on it, and that can be taken off, of course, if you don't like it. But that's the type of sheath that this one's coming with. Okay, and everybody on my wait list has already gotten a notification of tonight's limited run that's going to be available. Okay, if you're not on my wait list, please go to the link here on my site or on my channel here, and it'll show you in the information center, information part of this video, how to do that, and you will be notified of every upcoming knife and whatever I have going at the time. Okay, that's the best way to get it, because that's just kind of how I'm doing things now. Limited runs, and maybe once in a while, like I said, one-off knife here and there that I just happen to make. Okay, so that's not a long video, but lots of information stuffed into this one. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Oh, something happened here on YouTube a little while back. Okay, all of a sudden my views started going right through the roof. I mean, right into the stratosphere here, and I was looking at it, and there's this setting on there, okay, and right near the like there. What the hell was the name of it now? It was jump or something like it boosts the ranking of the video. Okay, it puts it on another list, and for sites that are less than 500,000 subscribers, I'm sorry, they consider that small sites. Anything under 500,000, that's a big site if you ask me. But anyway, it's to help smaller channels like me. Now I just hit 8,100 subscribers. Thank you, by the way, everybody out there who's doing it, and all the likes and everything. But anyway, it helped the channel immensely, and it's going. So there's two people out there who did that, and I can't remember what the name of it was, but there's a setting on there that you can boost the video if you like it, and you boost it or something. And thank you, whoever did that out there. So if anybody else wants to do that, that would be great. Thank you. But got a lot more coming. Excuse me. Wow. Hold on a second. Jeez. Like I said, it's been a week. Yeah. Nothing like rushing to the emergency room to see your family member having to have emergency surgery in absolute agony. Yeah. Kind of brings things into light, like I said. Perspective. Yeah. She's okay now. Thank God. Thank God. But it was close. Yeah. Anyhow. Okay. Like I said, got a lot more coming. And I'm going to try to make a couple of extra small hunters available. There's a bunch of them that I'm working on right now for people just before Christmas. But those are nice knives for gifts and stuff. A lot of people already had that in mind, and they've contacted me. So I may have a couple of those extra just before Christmas. So, but I'll let everybody know beforehand. So, okay, thanks again, and stay tuned. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And hold on, I gotta get my clicker. There we go. And We'll see everybody in the next one. Thanks again.